Behind me is an abandoned mill site. And this mill, when I moved here in 1980, and for most of the years that I've lived here, was a going concern. And I knew a lot of people that used to work here. I knew a lot of families who were raised on the economics of this mill. But now, as you can see, it's ceased to be. This and several other mills owned by this same asset owner became unprofitable. But the thing that we need to understand here is all the logs in this immediate area that were being logged specifically for this mill and the 2 or 3 others this company was operating, they're still being logged. And they are still being milled profitably. Over on this side is now a logistics outfit, and they acquired the rail sidings that used to be a part of this mill operation. And now all those same logs are being cut at basically the same rates they ever were, and they're being loaded on trains and shipped to the other side of the country. No, I'm serious, all the way to the other side of the country, where they are being milled, and they are being milled profitably. Now, what am I getting at here? Aside from the obvious Sustainable Development Goal number 12, responsible consumption, these types of operations run on machines, and machines run on maintenance. And calculated risk decisions involving maintenance lead to this, right? And what I want to say about this kind of an asset ownership situation, this is not sustainable. You cannot convince me that this was a properly managed operation if those exact same logs can now be milled 6,000 or 8,000 kilometers from here with huge logistic costs just to get them there for a profit. So the corners we cut are not necessarily furthering our sustainable development goals. When you cut corners on asset maintenance, that's not sustainable. Have a nice day. This has been my first Saturday shoot without my co-star. You may have noticed she's not behind me anymore. New habits. Looks like I'm going to be walking by myself from now on. Have a good day. Bye.